How to download BeamNG Drive on PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download BeamNG Drive on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the easiest way you can download BeamNG Drive is from Steam. So open up your Steam and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you log into your account, head over to the store section, and after you're on the store section, simply head over to the search bar and search for BeamNG Drive. So it's right here. Open that up, and after you open that up, you can see the game. You can even see a video for it. You can see different pictures relating to this very game. So if you want to download this game, you will have to scroll down, and there you'll see an option to add it to cart. Tap on add to cart, and after you tap on add to cart, you can then continue shopping. You will see the discount available here. Now simply you can head over to your cart and then check out. Now tap on continue shopping and check out, and after you buy this game, you can easily play it on your PC. And that's basically how you download this BeamNG.Drive game on your PC. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.